Come today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So first, we'll just see, in my case, the Google Feeds are activated. And just to turn it off, hold for a while on your screen and go to the Home settings. Now here you'll see the Show Google App section. Tap once on the switcher just to turn off the Google Feeds, and I will check. Yes, can you see our Google Feeds are just deactivated? And just to turn it on, by the same way, go to this Home settings and tap again on the switcher to show the Google app. And now, as can you see, our Google Feeds are activated. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.